Welcome to First Issues. As an entrepreneur running a business, financial loss is a real possibility through stock damage, property damage, employee injuries, and many other risks. Like our guest Donald Dizela from the previous segment, he lost his stock to thieves and confiscation. That right there is a loss that was enough to derail business and, of course, impact profits. But solutions to prevent this do exist. It is on this segment that we explore solutions to some challenges, impediments, and losses that people in business face. It is necessary to guard against such by being proactive to seek insurance solutions that cushion the business against these losses. But what options are there for your business, and how do they differ from all the other insurances that exist? We're in conversation with Rebaone Khuwe, Business Development Manager at First National Bank of Botswana Insurance Brokers, to talk about some solutions that may be of help to you and your business. Rebaone, thank you so much for coming on First Issues and affording us your time. We're here today to talk about insurance as a solution to some problems that entrepreneurs might be having in their businesses. But let us understand here first, what is insurance and why would a business person need it for their enterprise or undertaking?
Thank you so much for having me. Basically, insurance is a solution that offers peace of mind for your business assets. So the reason why I would encourage business people or entrepreneurs to have insurance is mainly because, remember, these assets we work so hard to acquire. After acquiring these assets, we'd want for you to ensure that there's business continuity in the event of a loss. So insurance really offers that peace of mind, knowing that should anything happen to any of your assets, you know that insurance will take care of that loss that is incurred.
Insurance, in essence, is a contractual agreement between the insurer and the insured, right? So unpack that agreement. But also, I would like for you to speak to some misconceptions that people might have around or about insurance.
All right, thanks for that. I think normally, let me just take you step by step of what actually happens. So we as FNB insurance brokers, what we normally do is when a client walks in or when we visit a client, we would normally conduct what you call a market exercise, looking at your insurance needs, and we'll try by all means to tailor make something that would possibly suit your insurance needs. So what will happen is after presenting that market exercise to our clients, we will then have a sit-down discussion with you, discuss all the relevant points, make sure that you are adequately covered to ensure that there are no gaps in your insurance policy. And then ultimately what will now happen after the presentation, we'll have a discussion around what we have presented, and then really try by all means, as I've mentioned, to ensure that you are adequately covered. So in terms of misconceptions, what normally happens is, remember, insurance is a policy that works on utmost good faith. So we expect or we advise our clients to provide all the necessary or ensure that there's no misrepresentation of information. So in terms of misconceptions, if there's an element of non-disclosure, now when it comes to the claim stage, that is where now we'll start having these problems where I'll use this as one term, but whatever insurance in but hella, what should normally happen is that you need to disclose all the material facts to ensure that Lorna will tailor make a solution that will adequately insure your either business assets or whichever you'd want to insure. So we'd really encourage, because we also offer advisory roles, so we'd really encourage our clients that they disclose all the relevant information, because there's going to be a proposal form that you would fill, so we require that you disclose all the information, as much information as you possibly can, to ensure that as we underwrite, we take all the necessary steps and precautions.
So in closing for this segment, let us talk to maybe some insurance solutions that you think business people would benefit from.
We offer a wide range of insurance covers. So we work with different players in the market. So what we normally do is we try to sell you a solution, not a product. We want to ensure that you are adequately covered. We want to ensure that whatever it is that we offer you really addresses to your insurance needs. So there's a wide range of covers for businesses. What we normally do is we just try and tailor-make products that would now specifically speak to or address your insurance needs.